What if the skill that could pay you $150,000 a year takes 6 months to learn instead of 4 years in college? In 2025, thousands of people are landing high-paying jobs without a traditional degree. Not because degrees are useless, but because companies are now hiring based on skills, portfolios, and real results. And today, you'll discover the digital skills that are quietly outperforming college degrees. Some of them might completely change your career. The job market has changed dramatically. A decade ago, companies mostly hired people based on degrees and resumes. Today, they care more about what you can actually do. Major tech companies now hire people who demonstrate skills through projects, portfolios, and certifications. Why? Because industries like AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and digital marketing are evolving so quickly that universities often struggle to keep up. Meanwhile, online learning platforms have made it easier than ever to learn real-world skills. You can now build career-ready abilities through online learning careers without stepping into a classroom. And that shift is creating massive demand for high-income skills. First, AI and machine learning. Average salaries now range between $140,000 and $185,000 per year. AI engineers build systems that can analyze data, automate tasks, and even generate content. With artificial intelligence transforming every industry, companies are paying a premium for people who understand it. The surprising part? Many AI professionals learn their skills through online courses and hands-on projects, not traditional degrees. Next is data science and data analysis. These professionals turn raw information into business insights. Companies rely on data to make decisions about products, marketing, and growth. That's why data professionals earn $120,000 or more per year. Skills like SQL, Python, and data visualization tools can open doors to some of the best online learning careers available today. Then there's software and web development. Developers build the apps, websites, and digital systems we use every day. Even in 2025, the demand for developers remains incredibly strong. Average salaries range from $92,000 to $130,000 per year, depending on experience. And many developers started as self-taught programmers who built portfolios and projects. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest-growing digital skills for the future. As cyber threats increase, businesses must protect their systems and data. That's why experienced cybersecurity specialists can earn up to $200,000 per year. And the barrier to entry is lower than you might think. Many professionals start with certifications and practical training rather than a full degree. Another extremely valuable skill is cloud and DevOps engineering. Almost every modern company runs its infrastructure on cloud platforms. Engineers who manage those systems earn between $80,000 and $180,000 per year. Cloud computing skills are now considered some of the best skills to learn in 2025. Finally, digital marketing. Unlike many technical careers, this one combines creativity with strategy. Businesses need experts who understand SEO, paid advertising, content marketing, and social media growth. The income potential is highly scalable. Some professionals earn 6 figures working remotely or running their own online. So why are skills becoming more valuable than degrees? First, speed. Many digital skills can be learned in 6 to 12 months instead of 4 years. Second, cost. Online courses often cost a fraction of a university education. Third, real-world experience. When you build projects and portfolios, employers can actually see what you're capable of. And finally, global opportunities. With remote work, skilled professionals can work for companies anywhere in the world. That's why many successful people today are self-taught professionals who focused on high-income skills. If you're wondering how to start learning these skills that pay more than degrees, the path is simpler than you think. First, choose one skill that interests you. Then begin learning through structured courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Next, start building small projects. Create websites, analyze datasets, run marketing campaigns. Those projects will become your portfolio, which is often more valuable than a diploma. Finally, consider earning certifications that prove your skills to employers. Now I'm curious, which skill do you want to learn in 2026? AI, coding, data science, or something completely different? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. The future belongs to people who keep learning. Degrees can open doors, but skills can change your entire career and income. If you want more videos about high-income skills, online learning, and digital careers, make sure to subscribe. Because the skills you learn today could shape the opportunities you have tomorrow.